Hi guys, today we're at Charlotte National Airport here in North Carolina, and this is gonna be fun. There's one about to take off already. It's going. There's one buttering. That's a butter. That's a perfect butter. And let's go back to the other plane. Yep. Yep, that's a boat. 37. Yep, it's in the air. I knew it. Wow. So that's hard to say. This. The Boeing 737 made a bird landing. That's cool. Amazing. I love when planes about to land. Here it comes. Oh, there's two Boeing 737s together. This may be a perfect airplane. Southwest Airlines about to take off. The CRJ just took off already. And there's one landing. Wow. I just met plane spotter guy. He's just plane spotting. Wow. It's a Delta Airlines like 717. Yeah, he's taking some pictures of the 717 that landed already. And the Southwest Airlines about to take. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. And the Southwest Airlines about to take off. Goodbye, Southwest Airlines. I hope you go to Florida. Nice. Nice. There's the American Airlines and the Delta Airlines. It's about to go somewhere. Wow, this is just a perfect airplane. Just coming nearby. There's one landing at the third runway. Another plane just landed. Wow. Okay. This might be a Boeing 737. Actually, I'm right. It's a Boeing 737. Look at the Delta Airlines plane going that way. The American Airlines is so cool. Okay, that plane's about to land. And it buttered. I feel like it's American Airlines. American Airlines just took off. Yeah, the American Eagle is so great. Another one's left. It's gonna make a butter. Yep, it buttered. Wow, that's a perfect American Airlines plane. Wow.